Here's how to bar lace Knu Skool Vans. Start by taking your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side here. From above, just like this. Pull that one through, swap to the other one, and pull it through. Awesome. And before we pull the little bit extra through, grab a hold of your lace ends and bring them to an equal length like this. Pinch them, grab your Vans, and then yank them through together like that. And this will mean your lace ends will come out of equal length. And then if you have any twists, it takes 2 seconds to fix that, just like that. Cool. If you want to make sure your Vans are of equal length before we carry it. If you want to make sure your laces are of equal length before we carry on, just pause and take a second to do that. It's no problem at all. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace. And what we're going to do is we're going to skip the second eyelet up from the bottom. And instead we're going to go to the third eyelet up from the bottom here. And we're going to bring that lace end through it from underneath, if that makes sense. So pull that through and you'll have a little empty eyelet here. Then we're going to keep a hold of this, take it over the sneaker tongue and down into the third eyelet up from the bottom on this side. So that's what I call the corresponding eyelet. This is the one that matches. Pull it through and you'll have a little bar there. Then what you want to do is swap back to the other one. And we're going to fill in these two little holes here by taking this lace end and going up into this one on this side first. Pull that through. Then we're going to take the lace over and that lace end down into the empty one on this side. Pull it through. And then we've filled in those holes. Then keep a hold of this lace before we carry on. Just feed it underneath there to make sure it's got range of movement. And we're going to repeat that pattern. We're going to skip the next empty eyelet up and instead we're going to go up into the one just above that from underneath like this. Then we're going to bring this over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side. Looking good to get our bar. Then we're going to swap to the other lace. And we're just going to fill in those little holes. So bring it in through the one on this side first. Then we're going to take it over and down into the eyelet on this side. From above, just like this. Pull that all the way through. Looking great. Pull that through there. And then we're just going to take this lace, pop it up and out the way for now, and we're going to do something a little bit different to finish off the pattern. We're going to swap back to this lace, and instead of skipping a lace on this side, we're going to go up into the lace eyelet that's next available, like this, and we're going to bring the lace over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side, just like this, to complete the pattern. Now, I don't tend to like to fill in the very top eyelet because it covers up the Vans logo, but you can do that if you want to. But I personally don't. I think it looks better. Then we're going to take a hold of these excess laces and we're just going to tie them in a loose-ish knot like this. And then we're going to drop that down inside the shoe, tuck it out the way behind the sneaker tongue. And when it's out the way, just adjust your bars. And that lace is super soft, it won't bother your foot at all, and you'll be able to slip your foot in and out of your Knu Skools without the need for tying them each time. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have a really awesome pair of bar lace Knu Skool Vans. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have loads of videos available for you guys. Thanks!